Hi guys, let me show you how to prepare this delicious okra and ogbono soup. It's very yummy. So first and first, we're going to steam our meat. So I'm using beef and I'm using shaki, also known as honeycombs. So we're going to season this with onions and pepper. We're going to season with onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, and also salt and seasoning cubes. Okay, we're going to simmer this for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's bring out water by itself before we're going to go in and add our own water. Alright, it's cooked for around 15 minutes here, so I'm just going to add as much water as needed. And then we're just going to continue cooking it until it's very tender and ready for use. So while the meat is cooking, let's get our ogbono ready. So you can either grind your ogbono seeds, or if you have the pre-grind kind, we are good to go. So now I'm just going to go in with some palm oil. First of all, I heat up the palm oil a little bit just so you can be able to melt the ogbono nicely. So I'm just going to mix it together until everything is ready, and then I will set it aside. So for my okra, I'm going to chop this okra into tiny bits, but firstly I shared it in half. So half of it I blended and the other half I'm now chopping. Okay, but if you don't want any of it blended, you can just chop all of it. So once the okra is done, you're also going to put it in a bowl and then set it aside for use later. So right now our meat is as soft as it can be, so I'm just going to go in with my dry fish, and I'm also using king prawns, but this is optional. Okay, so you don't have to use all this I'm using, it's just for my own taste and choice. So you go in with the king prawns and the dried fish, and then you're going to give it a stir. Okay, stir it together, and then you're going to cover and continue cooking. Alright, everything is cooking well together, so now we're just going to go in with our blended tatashi, scotch bonnet pepper and onions, and we're also going to go in with crayfish, and then I'm leaving some aside that I will put in later. And now we have ginger, garlic, onion powder. We're then going to go in and stir this. Okay, give it a stir until everything is well incorporated. Alright, make sure you stir it together until everything is thoroughly combined, and then we're just going to cover this and let it cook. So after around 8 minutes, I now went in with my ogbono. So the mixture that I made, the ogbono and the palm oil, I now went in with it. So I'm just going to give this a stir. Alright, so I stirred it for a while to move it on or along the way to thickening. So just stir it nicely and stir it very well, and then I cover the pot and let it cook. So I went in to check on it. It has thickened, so I now went in with the blended okra first. Okay, I gave it a mix to make sure it's mixed in well with the ogbono. So after mixing it in, I now went in with the chopped okra. So I gave it a stir so that all the flavors can blend in together. Okay, so after stirring for a little bit, I went in with the spices. So firstly, I went in with salt, went in with seasoning cubes. I also went in with the crayfish that was left. So now we're just going to stir this together, stir everything together and let it simmer. Okay, you let it simmer for a few more minutes. After some minutes, we're now going to go in with our vegetable, and I'm using ugu leaves. So you can use spinach, you can use kale if you don't have ugu. Okay, so we're just going to go in with our vegetables. We're now going to give this another stir. We cover and let it simmer some more. Okay, just so everything will combine together. All right, and then that's it. You've made yourself some perfectly made ogbono and okra soup. Rich, flavorful, and packed with all the good stuff. Alright, so you can serve this with your favorite fufu, pounded yam, or garri, or eba. I prefer using eba to eat okra and ogbono soup. So that's it. And now it's ready to serve. Okay, so this is me plating my soup. All right, and then I'm just going to be taking in a mouthful of it, and yeah, let me tell you, it was very delicious. I love it so much. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.